Recently I got one question which was from our old previous student of our group. He said, "Hey Raj, I know you have been to a lot of Vipassana session where you do nothing for days on end. What's your relationship with boredom now, and do you think you are better now than before at doing mundane or tedious tasks?" Well, there are different layers of to answer this question. I have to explain you that there are certain assumption, pre-assumption and preconceived notions that we have, and then on that basis we form our interpretation about the things that are going in our own life. And I hope I can answer this question according to my experience, but don't make it in your reality, your experience, because everybody's life and journey is different, so we don't have to compare it. The first thing, the first layer of question: did you did Vipassana? No, because Vipassana is something that not doing, it's like being in the present, and to do nothing is an absolute different level of thing. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जिन्होंने विपासना किया है वो ये बात को अच्छी तरह समझते हैं, कुछ ना करना सबसे ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट है कुछ करने से. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ विपासना इज़ लाइक, अगर मैं 1 घंटे अधिष्ठान में बैठता हूँ तो हार्डली मेरे मन में वो जो प्रेजेंट में थॉट होता है वो कितने देर होता है, हार्डली 10 सेकेंड 15 सेकेंड. उसके बाद में देन माई थॉट प्रोसेस अगेन रन बैक टू पास्ट और फ्यूचर. एंड होता है कि जैसे मेरा थॉट कहीं और जाने लगता है, आई गेट बोम्बार्डेड विद लॉट ऑफ इमोशंस. जैसे मेरा थॉट प्रेजेंट पे होता है तो लॉट ऑफ इमोशन स्टार्ट्स बोम्बार्डिंग. सो द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक डूइंग नथिंग इज अ extreme dangerous level of sadhana. When you do nothing, when you are at ease, to understand that the concept of doing nothing, you have to read Lao Tzu. Lao Tzu talks a lot about the things of doing nothing. This is the first thing. Second, what is your relationship with boredom now? Everyone gets bored. Anyone who is saying that if you don't get bored with, yeah, of course I do get bored sometimes with some things, like if I want to do my work with Excel sheets, if I want to do with my work with some other task which I feel very lethargic, I do feel bored sometimes. But what happens now, if you have done too much of the things which are tedious, boring task, keep on doing and doing, one day what will happen, you will become comfortable with it. I hope this is the second layer of question. Third level and the extreme important level is, you have to understand that we already and we are always at this thing called I have to do something. Let me give you an example. When I started my journey and improving my dating and relationship lifestyle, so it was like regular assignment of going out and becoming a social person. So I used to regularly go out for at least 6 to 7, 8 hours a day, Monday to on Friday, Saturdays and Sundays. I took 8 to 9 months of gap doing sarging for at least from straight 2 p.m. to 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. in the night, and it continued for continuous 8 months. After that, what happened? Lockdown and other things started, and I was at home. So the guy जिसको इतना घूमने की आदत है, इतना कुछ ना कुछ करने की आदत है, he will always be in that suffocation. So for example, मेरे पास में एक डॉग था जिसको मैं बहुत घुमाने लेके जाता था, लेकिन जब मैं अपने घर पे नहीं रहता था तो होता ये था कि मेरे पेरेंट्स इतना घुमाते नहीं थे उसे, तो वो चिल्लाता, भौंकता था और दिन भर भौंकते रहते थे. तो मेरे फादर बोलते थे, इसको क्या हो गया, दिन भर क्यों भौंकता है? तो I understood that it is this pattern he has formed. The person who are very uncomfortable with their own self, insecurity kicks them. There are 2 type of people. Either they will go in the complete wrong way, wrong direction. कुछ ना वो एक तो रील स्क्रॉल करेंगे, एक तो यूट्यूब देखेंगे, एक तो किसी से बात करेंगे, या फिर कोई मूवी देखने जाएंगे, कोई पिक्चर देखने जाएंगे, एंड दे थिंक दैट ओ यार कुछ तो भी हमारे माइंड को चाहिए. दीज आर वेरी डीप लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड. तो कुछ ना कुछ उनको चाहिए. या फिर चलो पार्टी करने जाएंगे, ये करने जाएंगे. और दूसरे तरफ होते हैं वो सेल्फ हेल्प, वेरी गोल ओरिएंटेड, वेरी एम्बिशियस, जिनको कुछ करना है. इनका दिक्कत भी यही होता है कि इनको हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ तो करना है. इनको अगर थोड़ा सा भी अकेले रख दो, मेक देम आइसोलेटेड, दे बिकम सो बोर्डम, their own boringness starts to kill them, starts to leech them. And if you are not the person who enjoys your own solitude, who enjoys your own company, I'm not saying boring मतलब भाई मैं बहुत बोर हो रहा हूँ, मैं घर में ही बैठा हूँ. नहीं, there must come a point in your life where even if you have something, you are good, but even if you don't have anything, you are still good. And the best word I feel what was taught by my teacher, he said always be okay. कुछ हुआ तो okay, कुछ नहीं हुआ तो okay. And you have to do sometime the what do you say, the boring lethargic task, the monotonous jobs, you have to keep on working. And at that time of course the boredom will kick you. But this practices, sitting alone, I'm not saying that one should go for Vipassana 10 days and so like it depends like whether you relate with the philosophy or not. For me, I have done Vipassana 14 times and I make an effort to at least thrice in a month I go there for 10 days to spend, because I personally feel that यही वो जगह है जहाँ पे मैं अपने आप का पेशेंस टेस्ट कर सकता हूँ, अपने आप को टेस्ट कर सकता हूँ, अपने आप को देख सकता हूँ मैं कितना अपने आप को मैनेज कर पा रहा हूँ. बिकॉज इट्स ऑलवेज ईजी ना, इफ़ यू एक ज़िंदगी में कुछ तो भी चल रहा है एंड दे कीप ऑन डूइंग, हसलिंग एंड डूइंग, दे आर नॉट एट द ईज विद देमसेल्फ. डू दिस एंड experiment yourself. I would suggest, if you have this kind of question, lock yourself in the room for 6 hours. एक जगह आग बंद करके बैठो, nothing, no movie, no Instagram, no net, nothing. Sit there for at least minimum 3 hours. What we regularly do in our self-discovery meditation, you will see thoughts bombard हो रहे. तब आपको ये समझना आएगा अपने एक्सपीरियंस से कि डूइंग नथिंग, हाउ डिफिकल्ट द टास्क इट इज़. एक्सपेरिमेंट योरसेल्फ एंड to get a solution for it regularly for 1 hour daily, you must do meditation, you must do any kind of spiritual practice whichever you relate. And of course, if you're doing the basic simple Anapanasati meditation, which is like simple breath in and breath out without controlling the breath, you will be comfortable with all those things and you won't get caught into that things, oh yaar ye bore ho raha hai. I hope this question was little, it can be answered in a very straight way also. ये कर लो, गोल्स बना लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो. इट्स अनदर टाइप ऑफ ट्रैप. एंड इट्स लाइक यार ब्रो, अगर आपको बोर होता है तो कोई किताब वॉक करने जाओ, नेचर में घूमने जाओ, या फिर दोस्तों को फ़ोन लगाओ. यू नो दिस कीप्स ऑन हैपनिंग. सो द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज फर्स्ट वर्क ऑन योर core element, and the core element is how much comfortable we are with ourselves. I hope I'm able to answer the question, but it's on the journey of life which level you are, so you will get the sooner or later if you experiment yourself. Rest all is motivation, and motivation doesn't last that much. Stay tuned.